Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of made in China. Here we go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps. Here apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about the application of made in China. Here we click on Forcestop and we click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.